अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू मॉडर्न इंग्लिश विद सना। आज हम सीखेंगे वर्ड्स मीनिंग with the help of some easy examples. First we have fair यानी कि मुनसफाना या फिर गोरा. She has a fair skin tone. Next we have gorgeous. She is a gorgeous girl. Next we have foolish यानी कि बेवकूफ. Next we have good. He is a good boy. Next we have fine यानी कि ठीक. I am fine. Next we have handsome यानी कि हसीन. He is a handsome boy. Next we have fragile यानी कि नाजुक या फिर खराब. His fragile ego is hurt. Next we have jealous यानी कि हासिद. We should stay away from jealous people. हमें हासिद लोगों से दूर रहना चाहिए. Next we have friendly दोस्ताना. For example, we were having just a friendly conversation. हम एक दोस्ताना गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे. Next we have healthy यानी कि सेहतमंद. Stay healthy. Next we have innocent यानी कि मासूम. All kids are innocent. तमाम बच्चे मासूम होते हैं. Next we have hungry यानी कि भूखा. The dog is hungry. Next we have funny यानी कि मजाकिया. For example, you are a funny girl. Next we have jolly यानी कि खुश मिजाज. He was a jolly person. Next we have helpful यानी कि मददगार. Next we have naughty शरारती. Next we have open खुला. For example, open the door. Next we have proud फख्र. He is a proud man. Next we have poor यानी कि गरीब. Next we have nice यानी कि अच्छा.